In this video, I will show you how to operate the Lockly Smart Lock. You swipe. In this case, we're going to do 0, 9, 12, 10, and then you push the OK button. And there you go. So you just got to make sure that whatever number is in those circles, you use your code that is given to you, and which my code was 0, 9, 12, 10, so we're going to do it again. And you can see where they kind of change when you do it again, which is a safety feature. Pretty cool. And you tap it twice and it'll lock automatically, but it'll lock within 30 seconds or however much time you program it to be. So yeah, just a simple video on how to operate this Lockly Smart Lock.